Okay, welcome back. This is video 2. So you've probably already watched video 1, which was all about what's included in the 8-week coaching program or the self-study at your own pace program. But what I want to do is just wanted to show you quickly the training platform that you'll be going into. It might be new for some people to do some online training, so I thought I'd just show you around. So the link to this particular program will be provided below wherever you're watching this particular video from. But ultimately, this is the enrollment page for this particular program. If you were to go to courses in a couple of weeks' time, you actually also can start the self-paced study program, but that's not yet open fully for participants. At the moment, this 8-week program has started. So it talks about what's included there, but ultimately, once you press got it, you literally are on a website, and all you do is you scroll down. You can read all of this stuff, but really what I wanted to show you is where you can actually access your free lead magnet and you can watch some of the free tutorials. So I'm not going to focus on what's written on here. You can read this at your own pace, but you'll notice that some enroll buttons as you progress through this page. Now, if you're watching this when the early bird offer is still available, you can save over $650 Australian or 700 US. So it reduces the price significantly. And I will actually, at the end of this video, put the code up there. But I'm not sure when you're going to be watching this. So if you're watching it while the early bird offer is still available, you can save over almost $700. But if you're watching it afterwards, you might want to keep in mind there might be a coupon comes across available again before the March intake. But at the moment, this is about the 8-week coaching program only. So you can keep strolling. You can press on the video here and watch some of the testimonials from these beautiful people that were just so kind enough to actually record some testimonials. So as I said, do this at your own pace. If you scroll down, I just want to show you exactly where the program starts. So this is, if you were to, I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller so you can see, and apologize for the glare from my glasses, but I'm just going to make it a bit smaller so you can see everything. So depending, I'm using at the moment, I'm on a desktop computer, but you might be watching this on your phone or an iPad or something. So ultimately, this whole section here is free. It says free in the right hand corner here, and there's some videos here. And there's also, this is where your lead magnet is, your free lead magnet. And there's also a video on how to use your lead magnet and another video here as well. So these are extracts of this comprehensive course. Now, in a moment, I'll scroll through and you can take your own time to look at every single module. This is what I believe, honestly. I mean, I created this from my heart, how I really wanted to create something that stopped people from having to buy 5 or 6 different programs. I've made it the most affordable as I can, and ultimately, I really want to see you succeed in life. And so I've put a lot of psychology into it, but also I've taught very step-by-step videos on practical ways on how to create your digital products with all of my Canva templates, how to record. If you just want to record an online course, you might not want to do a digital product, how to record using Canva, how to record using Zoom, how to use a partial screen share in Zoom. So again, there's so many different topics. But what you have to do is, because this is a training platform, it requires you to sign up. So you don't have to pay for the course, but it does require you, as soon as you press on one of these, it will actually ask you to sign up. So all you do is you create an account. So I'll just zoom in here. Again, it's not asking for any money or anything like that. You're not tied into anything. I call it try before you buy. So you just create an account. So it's just going to ask for a couple of your name, your email, and you create a password. And then you press start learning. And what will happen is you will then get access to those particular free modules that I actually showed you, that you get access to the lead magnet and all of those sorts of things. So just to give you an idea, as I said, this is where you start. So you scroll down here, but this is actually the training platform. So once you actually do enroll, you will see every single video. At the moment, you can only watch the ones that are free. So these ones are all free. Let's scroll down. This one is free. And then all of the others are all paid programs. So if you were to click on those, you'd have to, it'll say no access, you've got to enroll. So once you press enroll on any of, you can press enroll at any time, or you can scroll down and look at all the amazing topics. I've already spoken about this in video one, so I'm not going to go through it again. But your concept, your topic, product design, lead generation, email, planning, technical, and obviously marketing and launching. And so there's a certificate that you receive at the end of this course. I know a lot of people are wanting to do this for themselves. Some people are wanting to then contract their services out, create digital products for their clients, have that as a business. What a great thing to do. A little bit about me there. But obviously, once you press enroll now, I'll show you the early bird, the code to put in and press redeem, but there are also some frequently asked questions, so you can read all about that there. Once you press enroll now, you'll notice a payment page comes up, and all you have to do is, it says here, have you got a coupon? As I said, at the moment, the coupon is active. If it's expired, I'm sorry when you watch this, if it's expired, email to me and I'll see how I can help. But obviously, just press redeem and you'll see that automatically. You'll be charged in Australian dollars, but at the moment, the coupon price is, with the discount, is $347 Australian dollars. Today, I think at today's rate, it's $225 US and 200 Great British pound. So, and then you press buy, and then you're inside the training platform. Once you're inside the training platform, you will actually receive an email with an invite to come and join the Facebook group. And that's where we will interact. We'll have our own private Facebook Messenger where I give updates of when the Zoom sessions are going to be. There are some modules already inside the Facebook group. There are loads of people there already there to welcome you. If you're coming onto the October intake, I really would encourage you to do so, because we've got a great group of people, and I think that we really want to go out at 2022 with a really great momentum of building a passive income. So I would really highly encourage you to come into the October intake. If you miss it though, there will be a self-study program, exactly what you've seen, except for you don't get the private Facebook group and you don't get the Zoom coaching, but you can also sign up. At the end of November, there'll be sign-ups commencing for the March intake as well. We sold out our June intake. I was so blessed and so happy to have so many amazing people in that program. Over 50% of them signed up to come in again into the October program, and I'd love for you to join us. So reach out. I'll provide a link at the end of this video, a tiny URL link that brings you straight to this particular page, and I'll also provide an email address if you want to reach out and ask any questions. So much love from me to you, and yeah, I'm wishing you a blessed and beautiful year, and I hope you can join me. But if you don't, please take care and enjoy the rest of 2022. Bye for now.